almost forgot my wallet today. Hey everybody, just Randall here. This week at Six Flags Fiesta Texas, Carol's out on a work trip, so I decided to try and save some money to come to Six Flags every day since we have the dining pass. So for the next 5 days, I'm gonna be coming to Six Flags to use my dining pass to get something to eat. There's plentiful of options here, so definitely good choices all around. But let's get going, let's grab some food. Now here at Fiesta Texas, you do have a plethora of options. Sanger Fest Hall in the Spassberg area has German themed food, or I guess origin food, as well as just like your basic American fried chicken, pizza. Pete's Eats, which is mostly just hamburgers and fries. Fat Burgers, probably one of the best burgers I've had at a theme park.
And of course you have Primo's Pizzeria, mostly pizza options.
Also with the meal plan, it's indicated what you can get with the M's right next to the food description or food title. And you have La Cocina de Cobre, brand new here. Very good Tex-Mex. We already did a video on this. We ate here a lot last week, so I'm not sure if I'll be eating here this week. Forgot about Chopsticks. They have some good Asian options here. And I almost forgot about Captain Jack's Snack Shack. They only have chicken tenders and cheeseburgers here. I always forget about the Aztec. They do have, it was up there for a second. They do have a walking taco. I'm gonna have to try that out one day because we've had a walking taco at Over Texas, and I like that a lot more than what we've gotten here in the past. I can't forget about Johnny Rockets. We haven't tried this yet.
Now I forgot to mention Old Blues Barbecue. Here you have some great barbecue options. You have a couple of barbecue sandwiches to pick from, a barbecue potato or just a regular potato, a turkey leg, and at least one salad.
So for day one, I'm gonna be a little bit healthy. We went to Over Texas this past weekend. On the way up there, had barbecue while we're there. Didn't eat the best options, so gonna try and be good today. Now, one of the best options I can think of is this salad from Old Blues here. It's one of my favorites that I've had in the park so far. So I'm gonna go ahead and stop there, get a salad at a barbecue place. So we do have some good options here, but I think I'm just gonna get the chicken spinach salad if they have it. So I was able to get the chicken salad. I don't see any chicken in here though, but they also didn't have the full one. They told me to grab two, and that would count as one. So I'm gonna take one home and just have it for lunch tomorrow. Now, super good salad, although should have mixed it up a little bit better. All the dressings at the very top of it, but it's looking good. It's got feta cheese, spinach, cranberries, and walnuts, I believe. They're supposed to come with chicken though. I don't know where the chicken is.
Forgot to do an outro for day one, but salad was great. I do wish they did provide the chicken, but since it was, I think, supposed to be only a side salad, the portion I got, I'm not gonna complain too much. I still got a full salad out of it. But let's throw it to day two.
Welcome back for day two of eating at Fiesta Texas for dinner. So I think today I might go to Primo's. I'm feeling like pizza. I was thinking maybe hamburgers, but right now I'm like pizza. Let's do pizza. So I've had a Sanger Fest Hall pizza before. I've never had Primo's. Although I do like their sub actually, meatball sub. I might get that, I think. Oh, we'll have to see. God, they also have chicken pesto, or chicken Alfredo pesto. Is that a pizza slice now? Oh, it's very interesting. All right. So many options. I don't know what to pick. I might just go with the meatball sub. Now with the meatball sub, you do have to wait for them to make it. I'm assuming that's a good thing though. The only thing I have to complain about is a little humid in here. Starting to sweat just slightly. Now this looks delicious. Covered in cheese, mozzarella sauce, and at least 4 meatballs in there that I can kind of make out. It is very hot though, so I'm gonna let it cool down a little bit. Probably should let it cool down a little bit more, but that's not how I roll. I'm gonna try and cut it. So I have a small situation. They put too much mozzarella on one side and got the bread all soggy. That's all right. It'd still be very good. It's still really hot, but so far, what you would expect for a meatball sub. Just slightly soggy because of all the cheese and mozzarella. Now, I've had this before, and I don't remember it being this soggy, so it might have just been this too much on one side. There we go, there's the goodness. Oh, okay, so that meatball was super filling. I mean, it had the most calories on the menu. There is also a salad in there. I didn't see that listed on the menu. That was a good meatball sub. The only downside was it was a little soggy on one part of the bread side just because of all the sauce and stuff that they had there. But that's all right. I still enjoyed it. But let's go on to day 3. We're back for day 3 of eating at Six Flags every day while Carol's gone. So, running a little bit late. It's just about 8 o'clock, and I do want to try out a hamburger today, so I'm thinking Johnny Rockets. Hopefully they're still open this late. Oh, I always love the smell of those funnel cakes as I come in. Fortunately, they're not on the dining plan. All right. So I made it to Johnny Rockets. Hopefully they're still open. I still see some cash registers up. So we just got the Rocket single. It's just a single patty with cheddar, special sauce, and lettuce and tomato. Comes with fries as well. I've already had a couple of fries. They're fairly good. I do wish they were a little bit more salted, but honestly, not bad. But that's just me. But let's dig in, try this burger out. Now, I've had the fat burger before. Let's see how this compares. Not bad. I do like the fat burger better. But Johnny Rockets, not bad. Probably my second favorite here. So it has a nice juice to it. You really can't taste the special sauce, which is probably Thousand Island. That's what everyone's special sauce is, Thousand Island. But yeah, overall it's a good one. It's a good burger. I enjoy it. So there is a drone show happening every night this summer. So I'm actually gonna stay around and watch it because I think Wednesday night would be a good night to catch it since I think the crowd would be low, so getting out of here won't be too bad. But that starts in about 45 minutes.
All right, so just got done with the drone show. I actually bolted it out of there. I don't like traffic, so that's why I'm doing this once I got home. But the drone show was like, it was nice. It was about 8 minutes long. And I forgot it's, since it's close to July the 4th, it is themed to America for the 250 celebration that's going on right now. I think after the 4th, though, they are going to switch it to of the timeline for like Fiesta Texas. So if you're going to the park after July the 4th, just know it'll be different. But with that, let's throw it to day 4. Woo.
And we're back for day 4 for eating at Six Flags every day until Carol's back, which technically she is back today, but she didn't want to come. But I still want to come to Six Flags, eat here. Maybe she'll be with me tomorrow. Definitely way more crowded today at Six Flags. But we've been going to a new restaurant just about every day. We've been trying some new food every day at a different location. So today, we're gonna try Sangerfest Hall. There are a good number of options here, but I think I know what I want. So I decided on the German pork loin and also got Brussels sprouts on the side. This looks pretty good, so I'm gonna dig in. There's only a few of these left, so see how good it is. Very good. Yeah, I don't typically a fan of pork, but I really enjoy this. Let's try these Brussels sprouts. They're also very good. They're not too tough. Has a little crisp to it. Very good. Well, that's all for day 4. This was a quick one. Just want to stop in, grab some food, partly because Carol got me some boba waiting at home. So I'm gonna run home, drink that. But I'm gonna go on to day 5 now. Hopefully Carol will be with me in the next second that you view this video. And welcome back for day 5 of coming to Six Flags to eat dinner. Now, I know I said Carol might be coming today. She didn't feel like it. She had a long day, so she decided to stay at home, chill, and just kind of enjoy the start of her weekend. But we're gonna go in. I think I'm feeling like Mexican food today, or at least Tex-Mex. Day 5 on a Friday, a little bit more busier. Now this section right now isn't that busy, but the front definitely was busy. This is my last day coming. I think we're gonna try and do Aquaglow tomorrow night and then just chill on Sunday because like every night for the past week I've been going out. I kind of just wanna chill at home. The gully washer still running. Carol, I need to come and ride this one evening. Probably one of my favorite rides here, but I have arrived at La Casina de Cobre. Hopefully they're still open. So I ended up getting the flautas again, but this time it comes with guacamole. Also got just some sauce with it and refried beans. They did tell me, this is new, that I can replace the side with queso. So if I don't want a side and I want queso instead, I could just request that. I was gonna get the chimichanga, but they were out. And the quesadilla, actually, I should have gotten that because that looked like it was fresher than the last time I got it. So, I don't know. Next time I come, I might, if it's fresh looking, I might have to get that. But let's dig into the flautas. Oh, still so good. This was actually nice and like a nice blend of chewy but crisp. And I love that I can have guacamole with it now. Should have gotten some sour cream though. There is some sour cream drizzle on it, but I like more sour cream. But very good, love the flautas here. This is probably better than the last time I got it. But that's enough talking, I'm gonna finish this up. La Casino Cobre. So happy with this addition. Oh, there's Piñata right there. Coming every day for 5 days. I need to go work out, man. Need to start eating better. Well, that is all from Six Flags Fiesta Texas here. All the food I could eat. I am just, I'm feeling it right now. But I had a great time. There's plentiful of options here to eat at Six Flags Fiesta Texas. But if you made it this far in the video, thank y'all for watching. If you enjoyed this video or got something out of it, think about liking and subscribing. Till next time, don't forget to hydrate, and we'll see y'all. Bye. Hot diggity dog.